1%. It says 1%. This thing hasn't been charging? That's weird. Well, anyways, what's up, YouTubers? It's been a while, right? Yeah, it's been a while. Just life kind of gets to us all, you know, raising family, trying to make some money, trying to do some work, you know, here and there. But anyways, you know, Monika's still here, despite the other facts. This is just kind of side work I do. My wife's car right there. Yeah, fortunately, we raced yesterday. Her Infiniti M35 versus my 09 TSX, and she beat me from a stop. So maybe I gotta step up my game. But anyways, as you guys see, Monika up in here, right? Looking fresh, right? Looking fresh in there, fresh in there, fresh up in there, fresh everywhere. Even fresh in the cooler way too, you know what I'm saying? Cooler looking fresh, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, some of you guys might don't know what cooler means. It's the back end, you know, of a car is what I call it. But it's Wednesday today, and I've been thinking. So we're back again. Oh yeah, we got 100%. Whew, we good to go. 100%. Yo, so be thinking, man, Monika's done. What now? Just, you know, work around, you know, provide for my family, do the things that we all do. But you know, the question is, it kind of crossed my mind many times. Like, dude, am I gonna pick another project? You know, as you know, building something like this, man, it's a lot of work. It's a lot of stress. It's a lot of money. There's a lot involved, you know. So I said to myself, well, what am I going to do? You know, I do something. So I spoke to my wife a few times about this. Like, that's it? This is done? This is the build? But as you all know, if we car guys, we can't stop. We got to keep going. We got to keep doing something. And a friend of mine just sent me a message a while back on Facebook saying, hey man, look at this car here, you know, somebody's selling. I know if you're thinking about another project or something, you know, which kind of brings me to this after subject. It's good to have friends. See, sometimes group friends are good influence, you know what I mean? And I checked it out. I went over, I sent this guy a message, and it kind of brings me to this. Is it going to be another project or not? So the next clip you're going to see, it's probably the project that we might be buying to start as a family new build again. It's something that's probably going to be a long term because I don't have the funds to just kind of dump on like I did with Monika. But yeah, I'll stay tuned. You stay tuned. Let me know what you think. Drop a comment. Just say, yo, crazy, you know? What are you thinking? Come on. Let's get real. This is 2019, okay? So, it's not the 70s. Anyways. Wink, wink. So, yeah, I'll catch you guys in a bit. Let me know what you think. All right? So, we're almost here. You guys excited?
Yeah. In a quarter mile. The destination is on your left.
Quarter mile.
31 Oak Avenue.
The destination is on your left-hand side. Wow, we're almost there. Can you believe it? We're actually doing this.
Almost where? Are you nervous?
Buy another project car.
Are you nervous?
I'm very nervous. Ooh, I can see it. I spotted it right there. Look at that. Look at that thing. Somebody look at that.
The destination is on your left. 831 Oak Avenue.
Wait, what
Look at that.
is it?
Somebody look at that. It's right here.
Daddy's new baby.
Right there, son.
I don't know yet.
You're looking at it. Mommy's gonna record me.
Oh, it's that white one?
No.
Why did that one buckle?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah. We're gonna see this nice gentleman. Hopefully he can give us some info on it. See what he says. And yeah, take the beast home.
Vasile? What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you think, Della? What?
Like it.
You don't like it? What?
Look at it.
Maybe it
I
needs
mean,
a little
look, I
work.
can touch the roof.
Right?
This is a roof.
It is an old car, son.
This car is older than your daddy.
Is it like 15 years old?
How old do you think your daddy is?
38?
Very good. It's not. Okay, it's only a little older than your daddy.
Yeah, this is a.
It's like 34. Like
Before I was born.
39.
when did you get that?
Oh, Della, stick it
This
on
car is
there.
actually 1 year. It's actually 1
I
year
want
older
it.
than me.
Yeah, but it's 1
Get
year
it.
older than you now,
Get
so
it.
Daniel.
Give it. It's 39 years old? Yeah.
I'm gonna be yours here if you don't stop.
Yeah, what do you guys think? See, it's all there, huh? All the trims on it, the bumper.
So this is the car we're
CVCC.
gonna work on.
See the emblem? It was different back then.
So this is the car we're gonna work on?
Yep.
What do you think, Noah? Does it need a lot of work?
Yeah. Speed up. We're gonna have to fix it.
Okay, Honda CVC.
It's also in Honda?
Yeah.
Woo!
What do you think?
Alright.
Are you stoked?
I'm very stoked. I mean, look at that, dude. That's like old school, dude.
Let me see.
How often do you see that?
Very nice.
Actually, yeah, it's like all the
Hey,
original.
Look at the door handle. Look at the door handles. Look at my butt. Look at my butt. Wow, this car's beat up and dirty. It's old and dirty. I mean, it doesn't smell that bad. Wait, Mom, after this, are we gonna go ice skating?
Later today. I have stuff I've got to do first. What do you think, Della?
He's lucky.
That's the stuff. Right there, Vasile.
All right. So we got this going up in here. People be like, yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy, come on. Let's go. Somebody left that back window open. Okay. I don't even know where my wife went. All right. You know how I like it when you leave without me, right?
Well, I turned, I got you right behind me, and then I sat there for a long time.
Yeah, you're not for a long time. I gotta get ready, yo. You just left. See what I'm dealing with right here? Guys, door open. This car is smoking bad, man, but it drives good. You know? It is what it is, you know what I'm saying? The door is open. I can hear beeping at me. Quite annoying. Behind us, dude. You have it. Drove it home. And it's on 4 wheels. No problem. Pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good. Yeah. Got Monika up in there. And we got this beast up in here. So now it's just a matter of deciding what we're gonna do with it. It's so tiny. Looks so funny. But yeah, just stay tuned. And I'll post some more videos with this new build. And yeah, just kind of excited myself. Peace. If you have any questions, drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know if it's a good, good purchase, a good buy. Forgive my wife. She's over there yelling at the world for something. Not sure what's going on. That's what happens when you have a million kids, you know. But yeah, catch you guys next time. Peace. God bless.